Okay, we're going to be doing a unboxing of a Ryobi 6-piece combo kit, 18 volt. I have a bunch of other Ryobi tools. Decided to get another kit. I have one. My first kit is about 3 years old now. I'm getting tired of running it between our camper and home all the time. So I went out and bought another one. It's on sale for $1.99 at Home Depot. Comes in a nice bag. Got a flashlight, LED. Impact driver. Has an LED right there. Comes with a pH 2-bit. Circular saw. Adjustable. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery, half charge. Also comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery. No gauge on it though. Reciprocating saw. Blade lock. Drill. Got a high and a low. And a charger. I don't know, I'm not too excited about this charger. I feel like the older style chargers are better, but I never used one, so we'll see how it works. Maybe I'll do a review on that later. And a oscillation tool, multi-tool, great for cutting out drywall and trim and stuff. And that is everything that's in the bag. Nice bag. Found this video helpful, hit the like button. Please subscribe, and probably be doing some more Ryobi stuff in the future. Thanks.